You are. You are that beautiful soul. You are amazing. You are absolutely smart. You are gifted. You are talented. You are a possession of the Most High. You are everything that you think you are. He set you aside like no other. Your greatness. You are greatness. You are who you think you are. Yes, you are. What are you? Who are you? You are absolutely amazing. Yes, all those things you are. Start telling yourself who you are. Okay? You can do all things through Christ that strengthens you. Okay? I just want you to know that you are. You right here, you are that token, that beacon of life. You are. You are everything He has called you to be. You are you. Bye, guys. Woo, y'all. Good morning, kings and queens. Good morning, you king. Good morning, you queen. Y'all, happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. It's officially Sunday, okay? Today is off to an amazing, beautiful start so far. I'm claiming it. It is going to be an amazing day. Today I am going to do something different because I have never took the boys with me to no Ben's store with all the chaos. But for the last couple of times we've been, there was no chaos. So we're going to see how that goes. Y'all, look at the light. Do y'all see the light? Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. So I think I told y'all I have to find a special bulb that's kind of thin that will actually allow us to get it through here. We can unscrew it again. But guys, that is so pretty. So pretty. To me, it opens up the room. So yeah, that's what's happening right now. I'm trying to hurry up because we're pushing, like, I got to get them out of here. I got to get them in the tub real quick, let them cool, get their bodies adjusted to the cool temperatures and everything. They're brushing their teeth right now. Turn that water down. Turn that water down. Turn it off. You just got to run it. Oh, excuse me. And can y'all say good morning?
Good morning.
Say good morning, tubers.
Good morning, YouTubers.
You got a yarn. Bless you. God bless you. So I'm gonna go ahead and get them ready, and then we'll check you guys out. I gotta get them together, get their clothes on, let their bodies get used to the let them sit in the house for a little while before I get this truck started, and then also they gotta have breakfast. So guys, I will see you all. And guys, outfit of the day. Y'all know what? I wore my I was just telling y'all the other day. Hold on, that I have not wore. Wait a minute. Hold on. That I have not wore these jeans, y'all. I love these. Are the Levi's. Yes, they're comfortable, and these are the ones that have like the little thing. They're actually like really comfortable. I can move. I could do this. But they're comfortable, and I just have on a turtleneck, and I have on my new necklace, charm necklace, and my new earrings. I like that. So guys, I will see you all in a little bit. Hold the line, please. These are up. Look at them. They all dressed up. Look at y'all. Look at y'all. Huh? It is? Oh, okay. He says today's Valentine's Day. They're eating waffles and fruit. And Nana about to have her a smoothie. I need to get my ginger. But guys, we are making perfect timing. Perfect timing. It is 10 minutes to 8. And 10 minutes to 9. I'm going to go out and warm up the truck so we can get into a warm vehicle. And then I'll be on my way to go swoop up my girlfriend. And we're going to have a great day today. You probably will see Mark later. I don't know. Because he's probably going to be exhausted.
Your girlfriend coming
But,
here?
huh?
Your girlfriend coming here?
No, we're going to go pick her up.
Is she coming here with us?
No, we're going to take her back home after we finish.
Mama.
Huh?
My girlfriend coming.
What?
My girlfriend coming. And she want you.
Your girlfriend coming.
And you childhood.
Oh, my girlfriend? Okay, yeah, she's gonna come. She's gonna come with us, and you guys will see her. All right, y'all. I am going to see you guys once we probably get in the car and get moving. Okay? Because of who you are, we'll lift my voice and sing, Lord, I love you. Because of who you are. Let me turn that off so I get copyrighted, huh? Well, tighten it. Go ahead and tighten it, yeah. Hey y'all, we finally made it to the car. We're making perfect timing. It is 9:30 on the dot, and I told her 9:30, so you gotta remember, you gotta put into play that I have them and it's work. Trust me, it's work. Y'all, MJ's waving at you guys. I don't know if they can see you. Do it again, baby. Okay. So yeah, we are out and about, and we're getting ready to roll. They have no idea where they're going this morning. They just know they're going somewhere. So, and yeah, I have nothing on my agenda, but something in my spirit is like, because you know what, to be honest, my girlfriend texted me last night out of the blue and said, do you want to go, or do you still want to go? I think we had talked about it, but she wasn't really for sure did I want to go or not. And I just was like, well, he don't get home until like, he don't get off till 9:45 in the morning, so what's the point? And then I just went on and just got them up. I got up at 7, took my shower, did my workout, got them together, get them, you know, they bath and everything, got them fed. So I was like, I mean, I had it worked out once she told me that she wanted to, that she really wanted to go. So yeah, so that is what we're doing. But like I said, I don't know what exactly that I want, because I really don't need anything. But I'll tell y'all this though, if I can find another one of them chairs that I found last time for that same price, I will get that. I will do that. And I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. So I will see you guys in a little while, okay? I gotta go in the trunk and good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. I gotta go in the trunk and get
Oh, look at your hair.
oh, thank you. Y'all keep saying happy Thanksgiving. It's not that.
Today when?
Today's Sunday.
Sunday?
Yeah, we are. Hey.
Today is Thanksgiving.
They
so
can see you right
Sunday.
here. We are at the park in the restaurant right now, but we're getting ready to go to walk, right? They're already boot ready and everything. Come on. Don't touch that sink. Don't touch the sink. Sink. Back up. Back up. Thank you. But yeah, we're getting ready to yeah, come this way. Don't. We have to
Why leaving?
get ready. We had to use the restroom before we
Why
get started.
outside?
So come back here. We will see you guys on the flip
Another
side.
video.
No, on the flip side, I'm gonna let them see you go run. They got their boots on, they ready, y'all. Huh? In another video. Look at Snagger. All right, y'all, hold on a second.
Snack.
Ready? You gotta put them on.
I can't.
Come on, put that. Come on, here. Come on, put your hand in here. Put your hand in there. Come on, let's go. Y'all, they begged to come to the park. And then, when we get out here, they can't take it. And I am grown and I do this all the time. Look at this beautiful view behind me. Yeah. Y'all, they can't hang with the pro. They can't hang. They're like, Nana, can you hold my hand? I can't get up the hill. Look at him, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Come on, give me a hand. I'll take your hand, little baby. All right, y'all. I am about to. You want to go home? We are when we finish walking. It's not that bad today, y'all. It might be like 20. How warm do you think it is, Mark? How warm do you think it is outside? It's not 50, honey. We wouldn't have on gloves and boots and stuff if it was 50. It may be maybe 25, 28. There's no wind blowing, so that makes it better, but we're not going to stay out here that long. I just wanted them to get out and get some fresh air, and then I could take me a brisk walk, kill two birds with one stone. Y'all know what I'm saying? Y'all know how I like to do it. Life has many purposes. Many. Right, y'all? Right, childrens? Come on, look at this grandpa. Look at him. Come on, slow motion. Come on, slow motion. Huh? Okay, I am. Go ahead. There you go. Take off, buddy. Get it, 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 get it. They seen you. All right, y'all. I gotta put my hands in my pocket, okay? I'll see y'all. Hey guys, right now I'm getting dinners together. I'm gonna make some homemade soup, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I got from the bins today. Had a really nice experience today, and I got something that I really could use, and I really was looking for. I think I told y'all probably last week, every time I put it in the atmosphere, it always comes. So far y'all got my vegetable stock. I got some cilantro in here. I'll show you guys in a minute. And I got some potatoes, celery, and I'm gonna put some garlic in here and some seasonings to make my vegetable soup. Uh-oh, we're losing some. So what are you guys doing today on this Sunday evening or afternoon or morning, wherever, it depends on where you live? Let me know what you're up to. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna show y'all the lantern too. And I did find a light today to go with that, so I was happy about that. I'm adding some Creole seasoning. I'm adding some of this to the soup, and I'm gonna add some red crushed pepper to it. Not too hot. We don't want it too spicy, but we wanted to give it a kick. And I'm gonna add some thyme to it. I'm probably gonna put carrots in this soup. I mean, carrots and peas in here too. So that's the thyme. Excuse me, guys. Hold on one second. So I already got cut up carrots. I don't think I have any more corn, guys, so I'm gonna use, I'll wait till these thaw out, but I already got cut up carrots from last time I did something with it. So I'm gonna go ahead on and show you guys, hold on, let me show y'all what it looked like so far, then I'll show you guys the light and the haul. So here's what the soup looks like now, and we're gonna turn her up a little bit and let her start boiling. So I got cilantro, celery, red skin potatoes, thyme, the red crushed peppers, and the Creole seasoning. And then, like I said, I'm gonna add my carrots and some other little things. So here is the light. Isn't she pretty? Isn't she pretty? There's the light as well. So I'm gonna show y'all real quick what I hauled today. So let me come over here so you guys can see me. Let me see if that's good for y'all. Okay, I bought this Project 62 100% cotton cloth for the kitchen. Love how it has like the patterns in it. I picked up this really nice, it's supposed to be a pepper grinder. It has like the pea, wait a minute y'all. It has like the pea right here. All right, y'all, I think that's better. But it has like the pea right here, and it's the grinder, and it's bamboo. I love that. So I'm probably gonna put Himalayan salt in here. And like I was trying to show you, I have this cloth here, if you guys can see. It's basically like a kitchen cloth, and it is by Project 62 as well. Yeah, we having some bad lighting over here. Okay. And I got this light that's gonna go inside the, this light is gonna go inside. Let me take it out of here so you guys can see. I'm gonna put it inside the light fixture. So I got this. Hope you guys can see that. And I picked up this other lamp, Project 62. It's just like the one. Hold on, guys. Let me turn y'all around because I don't think y'all can see me. Hold on, one second. Okay, I think that's better. So I'm gonna put this in the bedroom on the side of the other nightstand. So now we have matching nightstands, which I love, and it's brand new. So the other one is Project 62 too. It didn't have a tag on it last time I got one. And I also picked up these guys. I spent $13, that's it today. I picked up these summer sandals. They zip in the back. Really, really cool. And I don't know how much these were originally. Oh, these were $30. Look, y'all. Originally 30 bucks. And they're black, and I don't have any black ones like this. I have some beige ones like this, but not black. But these are super cute. So I got, like I said, I got these. I got lamp. I got my bulb. And I picked up my cloth for the kitchen. That's all, guys. That's all I walked away with today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And at the end of this, at the end of this video, I'm gonna throw in a picture of the light because I'm gonna go ahead and try to put the bulb inside. It's so super cute, y'all. Look at that. Look at it. So, tell me what you guys think about my finds today. Right here. So super cute. You guys can't see that. I don't know why it's so dark, but yeah, that's what I got today. Here are the shoes, if it will act right. I'll just see you guys in another video because this camera is not acting right. Let me see if I can turn you guys around. It's not working right still. All right, y'all. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in another one. Don't forget, love yourself so that you will love others, so this world will be a much better place. I'm going to go ahead and finish this soup, y'all, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll throw in a clip of the things that you couldn't really see. Okay? Bye, y'all. All right, so here is the everything.